Welcome everybody. So Max Egan from the Crow House mentioned that he's trying to automate the upload of videos to BitChute, where the thing is, it's obviously for him it takes a long time to upload the actual video, but then when it's finished uploading, he of course then needs to press the finish button to actually complete the publishing the video, and that's like a manual step. So being a retired software engineer, I've done him a solid here where I've created a script that will actually do that for him, so he can go away and do whatever, work in other windows and so on, and then when the video has successfully loaded up to BitChute, it will click the finish button for him. So the thing you want to do with these sort of scripts is obviously code defensively. So if there are any changes, it allows for those, or at least it displays a message, which is exactly what I'm going to demonstrate first here. I've actually changed the ID of one of the fields, so then you can see what happens if something changes on the website. So let me select my bookmark of the script, which is called a bookmarklet. Okay, so let me select that, and you can't see some of the steps I'm doing here because the Windows Xbox video recorder doesn't actually record the pop-ups because they're separate windows, so it doesn't see them now. But I can obviously, you can still hear me. So let me select the, so there you go. But yeah, I tested this previously. It does record the alert messages, and I'll read it to you just in case you can't read that. It says HTML div element with ID upload file name not found, technical support available. So let me clear that. So let me now, I'll change that back to the correct file name, and it looks like I'm going to have to do a little digging, but this may be of interest to some of you. So let's go digging in here, and you can see I added an X onto the name of the ID, so let's remove that X, edit attributes. Okay, so that's now fixed, we can get rid of that. Right, so now I'll actually select a video for upload, a small one, so we don't hog too much space on BitChute's server. And for this video, I'm not going to actually automate the clicking of the finish button, because obviously this is only half a video, but you'll see I do a fun change to this page here, so you can clearly see that. But basically with a script you can change anything you like on the page. Okay, so let's do that. So if I click, now again you won't be seeing the pop-up that I can see here, which is the usual one where you can select a file from your computer, but I'm going into my videos, and as I say, I'm just going to select a small one so it doesn't take up too much space here, and it also obviously uploads fairly quickly. Where are we? Oh, this one's probably fairly small. Okay, so let's select that, and then once you've done that, you just need to select the bookmarklet, and let's see if it works. And another thing I want to prove here is that as I say, you don't need to be on the tab where you're uploading. You can even switch to a completely different application and it will still work perfectly fine. I've actually tested this. technically, as a matter of interest, in Windows, or this might be a Chrome thing, it reduces the accuracy of the timers and interval I'm using to only 1 second, but for our purposes, that's perfectly fine. And you can see my latest videos here. So let's just give it a few seconds longer. And I'm currently seeing 4:05 on my time, but what we should see is when we go back to the tab, we should see that yeah, we should see that time, because I'll allow the time to increase to 4:06. Just give it a bit longer. There we go. Okay, so let's go back. So there you go. I had the text there to the end of the upload title. But I should just mention how I detect that a successful upload, which is that I look for the videos / you can see there in front of their video file name, which I think is pretty reasonable, you know, because if there was like an error, so the file was too big or something, I can't imagine they would use that leading text as part of the error message. So hopefully Max finds this handy, and anyone else, you know, if you're trying to upload a large video file, you can use this, you know, to go away and do something else. So bye for now.